Hey Mama, welcome back to Slender Mama. I'm Elle, your certified flag coach. Today we're fixing what a lot of moms struggle with, flat or sleepy glutes. In 10 minutes, I'll show you science-backed moves that target not just your glute max, but also your glute medius, the muscle that gives your hips shape, supports your posture, and even protects your back. Grab a band or kettlebell if you've got one, and let's get started.
Start. Rest. Exercise. 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 Great job.
Way to go, mama. That was your 10-minute flat glute fix. Here's why these moves matter. Most lower body workouts hit your glute max, the big hip extender you use in squats and lunges. But here's the secret. If your glute medius is weak, your glutes will still look flat, your hips will feel unstable, and your back and knees may even ache. Think of your glute medius like the side straps of a backpack. If those straps are loose, everything sags forward and feels heavy. But when they're tightened, everything lifts and sits where it's supposed to. Same with your glutes. Once the medius wakes up, your hips look rounder, your posture improves, and your core feels supported. And here's the hormone piece. Strong glutes don't just shape your body. They help balance insulin, lower stress hormones, and keep your metabolism firing. This is why, as moms, we can't just do squats and call it a day. We need smart, targeted work that fits our physiology. Do these moves consistently, and you'll feel the difference not only in how your jeans fit, but in how you walk, lift, and move through mom life. If this clicked for you, hit subscribe, share it with another mama who's ready to lift and round her glutes and keep growing with me here at Slender Mama. We're building strength and confidence one quick workout at a time.